Let's have a look at Xiaomi's all-new Redmi Note 8. In the box, you'll find the phone itself, some instruction manuals, a basic protective case, a 10-watt charger with cable, and a SIM eject tool. Redmi Note 8 features a 6.3-inch dot-drop display with front and back Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It's built to prevent daily wear and tear. The glossy frame and the rear back cover are designed to be incredibly comfortable in hand. The fingerprint sensor is located on the middle of the rear panel. With its subtle design, it blends into the back of the device and gives the impression of a unibody rear panel, all without affecting the unlocking speed and accuracy. Other than that, Redmi Note 8 also has TUV Rhineland Eye Comfort certification, which helps protect the eyes and provide a comfortable work environment. Here you'll find 4 cameras: a 48-megapixel ultra-high-resolution wide camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth camera. The quad camera could basically satisfy all your needs for photography. Now, let's take a look at how good they are. First, why does 48 megapixel matter to you? Because it offers you more details than ever. With these comparison shots, you can easily see the difference between the regular and ultra-wide-angle lenses. By combining the 48-megapixel sensor and depth sensor, Redmi Note 8's AI-powered portrait mode allows you to create beautiful background blur and add special effects such as dynamic bokeh when you shoot. What's special about the macro lens is that it offers 2 to 10 centimeter autofocus, a feature not found often even in the few smartphones that have macro lenses. On the front, you'll find a 13-megapixel selfie camera. Moreover, Redmi Note 8's selfie features has also been updated. It now supports selfie panorama and palm shutter. On the bottom of the phone, you'll find a 3.0mm headphone jack next to a USB Type-C port that supports an 18-watt fast charge for its 4,000 mAh battery, which inherits the Redmi Note's legacy of durable battery life. In optimal conditions, Redmi Note 8 offers up to 2 days, 23 hours of battery life for calls, 15 hours for videos, or 7.5 hours for gaming. Redmi Note 8 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 AIE, which offers greater power efficiency and vastly improved AI performance over its predecessor. Last but not least, Redmi Note 8 offers the auto cleaning speaker. It can be effective against dust, water, and low-viscosity liquids. Redmi Note 8, 48-megapixel quad camera all-star.